What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and today, as you've seen from the title, I'm going to talk about my COVID-19 experience. So, this is my experience, my journey. If yours is different, sorry, not sorry, I don't know. But anyways, my husband got a positive result for COVID-19, so I went and got tested, and voila, I had it too. With him, he had like a very severe like flu symptoms, and he had like the cold, like the body chills, and it was cold, coughing, stuff like that. With me, I felt like it was more like a head cold. I had runny and stuffy nose and a cough. That's all I had. No other symptoms. So for me, it was very light. If you go and watch my Grinch video, where I did Grinch makeup, it was like a video or two ago. That was the day I got my positive results for COVID. So you can see, you can kind of tell in my voice I had like a head cold, the same like. But yeah, I had COVID-19 at that time. So, yeah, with my journey, I've had very good luck. I know not everybody has, and I'm sorry for that. But I was also watching some videos on YouTube, and they were explaining a possibility of your blood type and how you handle COVID. I'm speaking for my blood type people. I'm O negative. Have really good immune systems. I do in my case. I can't speak for anyone else, but you know, they do tests and stuff. So people with O-type blood are more susceptible to having low to no symptoms. So I have very low symptoms. I felt like quarantine, 10 days in my house, feeling actually normally and good. I felt like I was gonna go crazy. I felt like I was gonna be like Jack Torrance from The Shining, and I thought it was gonna kill my whole family. But I didn't. At the end, it's not that bad. But my first day in, I was like, I can't believe this. I didn't know what to expect. I was scared. And I'm telling you, watching the media for an extended amount of time, anytime on COVID or anything like that, watching it for any lengths of time is a bad thing for you. Watch it sparingly, because they really do scare you. I don't think they mean to scare you. Maybe they do. But in my experience, it was nothing for me. And I know that's not the case for everybody. So I'm blessed in that aspect. But staying home was hard for me, seeing how I felt normal, pretty normal the whole time. So just getting over that was kind of hell. But at the end, it's fine, because you know, I have to protect myself and other people. But I also want to talk about misconceptions. So I know a lot of people who go back to work or back to normal life, people kind of treat them differently, like, oh, you had COVID, stay away from me. That's not the case. That is not the case, y'all. If you have had COVID, once you've had it, your very low chances of spreading it to someone else or getting it again for 3 months are very low. So if you're coming in contact with someone that had COVID, the chances are lower of you getting it from them and them even getting it from you or anyone else. See, I had that misconception too. That's why I'm letting you know, you know. So if you see me in public, which you probably won't, because you probably don't live anywhere around me, don't be afraid to talk to me. And just do what you got to do. Keep doing your social distancing and your masks, and you should be good. But if you contract COVID-19, in a way, it's almost better that you do. That's my opinion. I'm sorry if your opinion's different, but this is my channel, so I get to say what the hell ever I want. In my opinion, it's good that you get it. And since they really don't have a cure, I mean, they have a vaccine, but anyways, people are probably going to get it at one time or another. And once you have it, you have the antibodies in your system. And then when you are 10 days up, you know, you should be okay. I know that's not the case for everybody. I'm very fortunate to have very small symptoms. But like I said, staying home for 10 days, not the best thing. But yeah, that's just my experience with COVID-19. If you've had an experience with COVID-19, yeah, see, I got a nasally thing going on. I mean, my voice is like that anyway, but it's worse. You can have a conversation with me down in the description box. I want to know all the information I can about COVID-19. So if I misspoke and said something that was totally wrong, you can tell me, you know, I don't get butthurt. But I feel like my information is probably correct. I'm not like a genius. Don't claim to be, don't care to be one. But anyways, yeah, that was my COVID-19 experience. The whole time I've been pretty well. I think my aunt was sick and she was pretty well. It really comes down to your immune system. Like I said, people with O type blood have higher, better immune systems. So I was lucky in that aspect. I'm not saying everybody with type O blood is gonna like screech by with no symptoms or hardly any symptoms. I'm not a doctor, but I feel like that did come into play. I did watch some videos on YouTube about that, and what they were explaining did make sense to me. So if you have type O, hopefully everybody should have O blood type, and I should give you guys a little piece of my blood so you have a good immune system. But I don't have enough to give to everybody. So, but anyways, for me and my past with my O type blood, it's helped me a lot. It's made my immune system good. For the last 2 years, I've rarely gotten sick. I don't get sick often. I do get headaches and stuff, but that has nothing to do really with your immune system. As far as I know, not a doctor. I just play one on TV. But anyways, if y'all have had COVID or if you know any experiences, comment down below. Let's have conversations. You know, call me out if I'm wrong. I don't get butthurt. I'm not the most educated person on this. I take bits and pieces and try to piece things together. I don't watch the media too much, and I suggest y'all don't watch the media too much, because if you're watching that 24 hours, day after day, you're gonna get really paranoid. I know there's a lot of people that are so paranoid, but yeah, like I said, since I already had COVID-19 and like some people go back to work, go back to their normal life, and people are like, no, you've had COVID-19, get away. Since I already have the antibodies inside my body, for 3 months, it's very hard for me to contract it again or to transfer it to another person. So you're really not gonna, if someone already had it recently, they're the most safe people to be around, honestly. But still practice social distancing and masking. But if you have to be close to someone that's had it, don't be afraid of them. Don't be afraid of them. Other people that haven't had it are more of a threat to you. So anyways, that was my COVID-19 experience ramble. Hopefully you like this video. Go down and give me a like. I lived through COVID, girl. Give me a like. Start a conversation with me. Let me know what happened in your life. Let's have a conversation, girl. But anyways, thank you for stopping in and have a good day.